Hello students, how are you feeling today? Fine, right? Okay, this is part 4 of chapter number 2, video number 29, subject English standard 10th. This will be the last video for chapter number 2, right? Because this is the fourth part of chapter number 2. In first, second and third part, you have seen that how he became just patriotic for his country South Africa. Though he went in the prison for 30 years, he didn't leave hope, right? So I also told you, you should have a hope to live a happy life. Otherwise, if you think negative and negative, you cannot be successful, because there is a psychology behind positivity, right? Then thing will go right. Let's go the next para that we have come of part 4 of chapter number 2. Let's see next para. See, you can see when he was young, right? In the third part, do you remember? I discussed in the last para about his childhood. How was he? I put the photo of child, right, of his, and I told you what he was doing. He was eating maize under the stars. He was running here and there, touching bulbs, right, in the farming, right, when he was doing farming in the farm. So, in the last para of third part, I discussed about his childhood. He was very free. He was free from everything. Nobody was pushing him for anything. Let's see in this para about his young age. Means how he became patriotic. Previously, he was not. Previously, he was not at all patriotic when he was child, when he was young. So let's see how he became patriotic. In the previous video I talked about childhood. Now in this para I will talk about his young age. Let's see. I was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. See what he is saying. When I was a child, I was not knowing at all that I am free. Means I am not actually free, right? So when he became young, means in a boyhood age, as you can see in his picture, right, when he was young. So when he was young, he came to know that it was an illusion. I am not free at all. What is the meaning of illusion? It looks real, but in reality it is not real. What is the meaning of illusion? It looks real, but in reality it is not real at all. So in his childhood he was thinking I am free from everything, but as a young age he realized, what he realized, that my whatever I have, that is illusion. I am not free at all, right? Let's see next. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me. See, as soon as he realized that my freedom is taken from me, he came to know I am not free at all from anything, from my rights, from my freedom. Whatever I want to do, I cannot. I am not free at all, right? So freedom was not there. Who realized? Nelson Mandela wrote in his autobiography that I am not free, I have to be free. What he said? I have to be free, but I am not free. What should I do? See next. That I began to hunger for it. What is the meaning of this sentence? I began to hunger for it means he became overexcited that I have to find out a way how can I make myself free from this apartheid problem, right? Apartheid means racial discrimination of the color of the skin, right, as I told you earlier. So he said that anyhow I have to start a kind of a program in that I can be free and I can indulge people in that program, so everybody can be free. Let's see next. As a student at first, see, obviously though young but he was a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. See, he didn't realize that much that everybody is not free, right? He thought that I am not free, so as a student I want to fight, I want to be free. As a student I have to fight because I want to be free, right? But he didn't know the transitory. What is the meaning of transitory? Not permanent. What is the meaning of transitory? Not permanent. Whatever he was feeling now when he was child, that he is free from everything, that was an illusion, not real, and that was not transitory, that was not permanent at all, right? Freedoms of being able to stay out at night, read what I please and go. See, what he says that whatever I want to read, whatever I want to do, wherever I want to go, I cannot. Whenever I want, I cannot. So see, if person cannot do on his own or her or his way, whenever he or she wants, it means that person is not free, right? Before 1947 we were not free at all, right? Whatever means the word gulam, we were gulam of English people that came from England, so we cannot do whatever we like, it means we are not free, right? Let's see next. What he says, go where I chose. Previously I was going wherever I like to go, but then after I found that it was an illusion, right? Let's see next what he says. Later as a young man in Johannesburg, see, later as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned. What is the meaning of yearn? If one person has strongly desire for something, if one person has strongly desire for something, that is called yearn. So he yearned for the basic and honorable freedom, for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential, of earning my keep. See, when he went to Johannesburg, he thought that I want to earn money, I want to achieve my freedom, whatever potential I have, maybe in sports, whichever he likes, right? So he wanted to achieve his potential, he wanted to complete his whatever he likes, but freedom was not there. See, now I think nowadays also there is a fight between black and white people, right? Nowadays in 2020 also, in this century also, I don't think so this apartheid problem has gone, because in news you can see, right? Even you can hear the person, those who have gone to South Africa, maybe from your neighbor, from your family, you can come to know still it is going on. I have heard, right? It is not completed. Let's see. Of marrying and having a family. See, whatever decision he wants to take for his marriage, for having family, for job, he could take. But let's see next. The freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. See, in a young age he found it is an illusion, though I am not free. Till marriage he didn't find. When he started doing job, still he was thinking I am not free. But let's see when he became patriotic, because patriotic means what? Though you will think about yourself, same time you are thinking about country, people and country also, right? So he started thinking about the country people after his young age. Let's see what he was thinking and what he started doing. See, let's see in this para that how he became patriotic and how he started working for the people. But then I slowly saw that not only I was free, but my brothers, sisters were not free. See what he found? First, he realized that I am not free, but he was thinking for himself as a student in his young age. But as soon as time passes, he realized that not only I, but my brothers, my sisters, nobody is free. They cannot do whatever they like, right? I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed. See, what is the meaning of curtail? Reduced. What is the meaning of curtail? Reduced. So, not only my freedom is taken from me, but everybody's freedom taken from them, right? Anyhow or somewhere their freedom is taken, right, by anyone. Let's see. But the freedom of everyone who looked like I did, means whatever I felt, people were feeling the same. That is when I joined the African National Congress. See, as a young age, he was thinking just in his mind. He didn't discuss with anyone that my freedom is taken, my brothers and sisters' freedom is taken. But when he was thinking, he joined the African National Congress. What he did? He joined the African National Congress. Let's see what happened when he joined the Congress. And that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. See, when he joined the Congress of South Africa National, from that time, first he started thinking about himself, then he thought my brothers and sisters, and at last he became patriotic by thinking, by looking at the situation of all the people, that everybody has to be free, and let me do my people of my country, let me just start hunger for them also. Start hunger means let me start working for them also. You can see they have made a kind of board. See, white area and black area, means white people are not allowed, means they were allowing, they were coming and they were also going because they were beating each other. But black people are not allowed to enter in the area of white. You can literally see in the picture, it is mentioned white area, means black people are not allowed to enter in the white area. See, they are not allowed to go over there. Though they will go for purchasing something, they will beat them, maybe they will kill them, right, if by chance someone is going. So that was the situation at the time of Mandela, that white people cannot move here and there. In the black people side, they will fight, means fighting will be there. They cannot go here and there. Let's see next. Then it was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life. See, he said that everybody should have self-respect, everybody should live their own life on his or her own way. Nobody has right to disturb their life. We cannot say to anyone, don't do that or you do only that. No, we do not have right. So in reality also, my dear students, don't tell to anyone you have to follow my orders. Don't be democratic. Don't be democratic, right? Let people do whatever they like. Yeah, you can give advice. If one is asking, or if you are thinking, my friend wants advice, you can. But don't dominate anyone, right? Let's see next. They transform a frightened young man into a bold one. See, previously he was not that much frightened, but he was feeling frightened. What can I do for my people? But As soon as he joined the National Congress, he became a bold one. He became a bold one and he became a truly patriotic. He became a truly patriotic and drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal. See, even he joined law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, right? Means you know that if you are patriotic, sometimes definitely you will go in a prison, right? Like him, he went in a prison for 30 years. Same way, our national leaders also, before 1947, Mahatma Gandhi ji, right? Means so many leaders also went in a jail. So he learned about criminal also, he learned about crime also, that turn a family loving husband into a man without a home. This is very important. See, of how he transformed his life. In a previous video I told you na, he loved his family, he was very good husband, he was very good father, he was very good person in his life. But now he realized that though I have a loving family, but I feel like that I do not have a home. Means he started separating from them. He started separating from them. See, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. See, he was living with his family, but he wanted to do for his family. So 30 years he was separated from his family and he was living a life like a monk, right? See, he didn't become a monk, but he started living like a monk. Means everything is taken from him, that freedom was taken, and he started living differently in a prison without his family. Still his mind is thinking, what should I do for my people, what should I do for my country people, anyhow I want to do, right? Let's see. This is second last paragraph of this chapter. Finally we are about to complete, right? Okay, so let's see second last para. I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man. See, he was not trying to be that much virtuous that he wanted to do, but he said that I am no more virtuous. Means I am not virtuous at all. I have become a bold person, or self-sacrificing than the next man. Means I want to sacrifice, so I started joining this National Congress to help people. See, very less people are there in our country also that will feel pain on his or her own and will give happiness to someone. See, less not 1% or maybe less than 1%, right? So he said that I will sacrifice myself, but I want to make them happy. I want to make them free from all the problems, especially apartheid. But I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and the limited freedom I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. See, though he was rich and in his young age, he felt that if I am just having such kind of thing, but when he saw poor people, he thought that, see the picture, how they are poor. Not only in India that people are poor, so many countries are there, you can find people are few poor, right? But see, when he was watching poor people, he said that how can I live a happy life when my country people are sad, when my country people are feeling pain, how can I be happy? If they do not have freedom, how can I have such kind of freedom? So see, freedom is indivisible. Freedom is indivisible. Indivisible means inseparable. What is the meaning of indivisible? Inseparable means different people have different problem. Different people have different problem. So see, the chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. What is the meaning of this sentence? He said that whatever problem my country people will have, I will feel and I will take that responsibility to come out from that. Means anyhow, here this way or another way, I want to do something for my country people, so I have to be self-sacrifice person. Means change, this is a kind of sentence shows that he wanted to do something for his country people, though he will have or not, though he will be free or not, but he want to make the country people free from this problem apartheid, and he wanted to help people anyhow. See the word anyhow. He wanted to just help people. Let's turn towards the last para. See in the picture first before I read. Doing life with Mandela, my prisoner, my friend. See the title and see the picture. Doing life with Mandela, my prisoner, my friend. Means one of his friend has written this book, how he spent 30 years in prison with him and what was the experience with him, he has written in this book. You can find. Even you can see the picture of Mandela. Can you find that on his face any pain or trouble? That 30 years he was in prison. Can you find any pain on his face? No, right? Otherwise, after 30 years in a prison, when you come out, definitely you will lose hope. Definitely you will lose hope, right? So, let's read the chapter. Means let's read the last para. I knew that the oppressor must be liberated. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of oppressor. What is the meaning of oppressor? Oppressor, it means the person who ill-treats. The person who ill-treats the people, right? So, here white people can be oppressor. White people can be oppressor. They were ill-treating the people, must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. What is the meaning of oppressed? For example, black people can be oppressed and white people can be oppressor. Means white people were ruling over black people, that's why, and ill-treating people, that's why they were oppressor, and black people became the victim of white people, that's why they were oppressed people, right? So let's see. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. See, prisoner of hatred means that person should not get any happiness if one person will take anybody's freedom. Just think seriously, do we have right to take somebody's freedom? Have you seen in news some people they are just snatching small babies, they are kidnapping small babies and cutting their hands, legs, right? And how can we do? How can we be rude such a way to kill anyone? Means see, different kind of peoples are there in whole world. Some are kind, some are generous, some are emotional, and some are criminal also. They do not have feelings, that's why they can kill anyone. Otherwise, when you kill any insect, then also will you feel? You should feel. Then you are a perfect human being. You should not kill anyone, not any birds, not only birds, all the things that we have on this earth that are living beings. So see, we do not have a right to take anybody's freedom. He is locked behind the bars. See, he was locked behind the bars means prejudice, a strong dislike without any good reason. See, prejudice means a strong dislike without any good reason. So see, he was saying if you are going in a prison, it doesn't mean you are a criminal. If you are outside and if you are taking or snatching somebody's freedom, you are a prisoner of a hatred. You are a prisoner of hatred. So see, I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom. If I am free, I feel, but if I am taking somebody's freedom, I am not free at all. If I am taking somebody's freedom, I am not free at all. Just as surely I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. See the comparison. Here there is a comparison. If my freedom is taken, same way, if I will take somebody's freedom, same. See, if I am not free, means I am not free. But if I will take somebody's freedom, though I am free, that also I am not free. Why? Because I am taking somebody's freedom, right? The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. See the last sentence he has written in his autobiography. See, this is not actually whole chapter, means whole book of autobiography. Here, this is some part of this autobiography, only one part of his autobiography. So see, he is saying that both are criminal or both are responsible, who oppressor and oppressed. If one is oppressor, we not have to be oppressed. We have to fight, we have to speak, because in Gujarati says na, bole ena bor vechai. There is a saying, right? Means if you speak, something will happen. If you have a problem, let me repeat. If you speak, something will happen when you will have a problem. Otherwise, you can be called loser. So every time I am speaking the word in the class, be extrovert. Be extrovert. Fight for yourself if you are feeling problem, or if you are thinking I am not wrong, you have a right to speak. Whether you are in school, whether you are at home, if you are not wrong, you can definitely speak in the favor of yours. Alright. So here chapter ends. Learn from his autobiography of Nelson Mandela. Apply in your life. Be a good person. Take care of your parents and love your parents. Take care of your sister and brothers, and be from, means free from everything, prejudices, negativity and all that, right? So write worksheet. I have given MCQs, can be asked in the exam from this chapter of 4 marks, and read, revise and read. Reading is must. All the best for reading. Thank you.